Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Mr. Brown 5714, love everything out here on my Spectrum DX6E. Got it bind to my E150 direct drive brushless helicopter. You can see the Spectrum satellite plugged in right here. And I got the little receiver down here, double-sided tape, and then also got the wire zip tied here so they don't interfere. And also got my on switch G, I got my 3D, which is right there if I want to. Then I got my stabilizing mode right here, which would be 6G right there, and then my hold, then my idle up, then the rest of the switches. All right. My take on this little helicopter, it is a great little helicopter to start out with. I like it. Only thing it is canopy is like really tight, you know, so I don't know why it's so freaking tight to put on. I mean, like, really, I'm talking about crazy tight to put on. If it's any one downside to it, that's what it would be. It's the canopy, just really tight. Yeah, and I don't like that tight ass canopy. Excuse my little French there, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna give you a preview of how well this thing flies. So we're gonna start off in 3D low right there. So I get about 10 minutes, 11 minutes of flight. Take the hold off. Get about 10-11 minutes of flight. I mean, see, I just take straight up. This is a great little helicopter. I mean, you know, like, I mean, you got OMP Hobbies and you got Gooski, their little helicopter, but this thing here is rock solid. I mean, I have an E150, but my E150 is nothing as far as stabilized as like this one is. This one's like really nice and stable. I mean, really nice and stable. I like it. And then being on my Spectrum radio, man, the connectivity is very solid. I mean, like, this is the way to go right here. Yeah, I mean, this is like really nice. It's a nice little heli, man. I mean, for 150 bucks, can't go wrong, bro. It's nice. And we got a little wind, maybe about 3 or 4 miles an hour wind. No effect on the now whatsoever. Now the little, I might have to do some gyro setting in there or something. Nice, really nice. Oh, yeah, I definitely got to set that gyro. I was like a little scared. I thought it was like it's just gonna go out of control there for a second. But that's the thing about electronics, man. You don't know. Just don't know. Sometimes you just get interference, different things. Never thought a little micro would be this much fun, but definitely. And the cool thing about, the other thing about the direct drive is that when you land it, unlike the E150, now when I land this and throttle down, as you can see, the tail don't like try to wipe out or wash out. That's the other